Good day to all of you and welcome to the Unit 6 of our CAD module and this module titled Completing Working Drawings. Once the floor plan and elevation plan are complete, it is time to finalize your drawing by adding hatches and fill to enhance hatches and depth. Complete working drawings also include inserting and scaling other pre-drawn CAD files into our title block. Upon successful completion of this lesson, you will be able to create CAD drawings with hatches and fill, insert and scaling other pre-drawn CAD files into the title block, and finalize a complete working drawing. Working drawings provide dimension, graphical information that can be used by a contractor to construct the work, or by the supplier to fabricate components of the works, or to assemble or install components. This may be drawn to scale by hand or prepared by a computer-aided design software like AutoCAD. In this particular exercises, bali gagawa tayo ng mga template na kung saan yung mga output natin ay ilalagay natin doon. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng title block at saka natin aayusin ang salansang ito doon sa ating title block. But before we insert our title block, let us finalize our plate that we completed on our exercises during our Unit 5, which is yung elevation. Okay. Bali, dito, lalagyan natin siya ng dimensions and details para mas maganda siyang ilagay sa title block natin. Okay. First, let us go to home and let us set the layer dun sa tinatawag nating dimension and text. Okay? Let us put dimensions sa bawat length ng ating floor plan. Okay? First, let us identify this length. Then put it a little bit higher. Okay? Then let us identify the whole length. From wall to wall. Okay. Okay. Then let us put the vertical distance of the rooms or CR. And for bedroom. Okay, let us put the dimensions ng living rooms and bedroom, horizontal dimensions. Okay, click this part and this part to measure the length of the living room. Okay. Then click the arrow so that these dimensions are level. Then click this dimension and this length. We can put the radius of the balcony by selecting the radius, click this one, and you can edit the radius by clicking this one. If you want to be exact, then go to properties, then go to the last line, which is text. Okay. Then you can put your text here. R is 1.500. Okay. Then enter and post. Okay. Notice that okay, this has changed from 1.5008 to 1.500. Okay. Then let us put uh, text on each part of the floor plan. Okay. Say for this one, okay, let us close this. Okay. This is bedroom. Okay. Then let us move it at center of the space. Then move or copy this text. Okay. For this, for living room, for kitchen, for CR, for balcony, for back door, and for front door. Okay. Then let us edit this. Okay. And text edit. Okay. Highlight front door. Okay. If you want to be uh, specify that it should be one liner only, just drag this arrow. Okay. Click the word, then drag the arrow. Okay. And this is the living room. Okay. Click, then drag this. Okay. And this one is the kitchen. Right click, edit, highlight, kitchen. And then click. Then this one is the CR. Then let us move it at the center. And this one is the balcony. Okay. Let's move this. Okay. Then this one is the back door. Okay. Therefore, we complete putting dimensions and text to our floor plan. Next, let us enhance our floor plan and also our front elevation, okay, by putting hatches and till. Okay. But before doing so, let us create layers for our hatches. Okay. Click this layer properties so that the layer window properties will pop up. Then create new layer. Okay. Our first layer for hatch is hatch elevation. That is brown. Okay. Then set the color. Okay. 42. Then click OK. Then next is create another layer. Okay, this one. Rename this. This is hot elevation gray. Okay. Then choose a color. Gray. Let's say this one. This is the gray. Then click OK. Then create another layer. Okay. Hatch, elevation, black. Okay. And click this one and choose black. Okay. Let us correct the spelling of hatch by renaming this. Okay. And click outside, then close the layer window properties. Okay. Then next is let us apply hatches for our front elevation. Okay. First is the roof. Okay. Therefore, okay. On the roof, we're going to use hatches. And to activate hatches, you can click this one as hatch, or you can type on your command window hatch. Once you press enter, our ribbon will for hatches will pop up. Okay, this is the ribbon for hatches. Okay, you need to select yung pattern na gusto mong ilagay. Okay, ganoon na rin yung kanyang scale. Okay, first, for loop, let us select uh, AR hook for book. Okay, click the pull down menu, then look for AR hook, AR complete, AR heart. So, this one. This is AR hook. Okay. Then, note that if you click it this one, okay, medyo malalaki yung spacing ng hatches natin sa hook. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin i-adjust yung scale. Okay, let us create a scale of 0.1. Okay, then click it again. Okay, if you think this is okay, okay, you can now close the hatch. Okay. Okay. Then, since our layer, ang nakakarent niya ay dim text, let us change this to hatch close. Okay. Let us change the color of our hatch to a new pattern or new layer. Okay. Close. Let us change this to hatch gray. Okay. For this one. Home. Yun. Okay. Hatch gray. Let us change the layer to hatch gray. Okay. Therefore, this is our hatches for roof with gray. Okay. Then, let us choose another. Okay. Let us change the current layer into F elevation so that we can create a line distinguishing the foundation layer of our elevation plan. Okay. Let us draw a line here and another line here. Line from here to here. Oops. Let us change this one because this is wall to elevation. Okay. Let us change or set our current layer to hatch brown. Okay. Or gray. Okay. Then let us activate the hatch pattern. Okay. Let us choose complete. AR complete. Okay. For this one and this one. Okay, click this one. Okay. Then let us change the pattern to 0.05. Then press enter. Okay. Therefore, this is our pattern for our Okay. Foundation for our elevation plan. Okay. Then let us hatch the wall. Okay. Let us use hatch brown for the wall. Okay. Then let us activate the hatch pattern. Okay. Let us select AR sheet. Okay. Then let us click this one. Okay. If you think this is too large for a pattern, oops, uh, let us change the uh, factor into 0.03 and press enter. Or if it's still too large, change it to 0.02. Okay. Okay, I think that's fine. Okay. Then let us hatch the windows. Okay. Let me first offset this one. Okay, so that makikita natin yung frame ng pinto natin. Dito sa loob. Okay. And also this one. Let me offset this one. Okay. Then let us use hatch black this time for windows. Okay. Then activate hatch pattern and let us use a solid color. Okay. You can choose solid color for this one, and click this one. Okay, so now, and and this one. Okay. Then you can also apply hatch here. Okay, let us again use the hatch elevation gray and let us use the hatch pattern. Okay. Let us choose the AR concrete. Okay. For this one. Okay. Therefore, this is our sample hatch pattern for our elevation. Okay. Let us do this time in our floor plan. Okay. But before hatching our floor plan, let us turn off different layers so that hindi na cover, hindi siya matatamaan ng mga hatches na gagawin natin. Okay. Let us turn off yung ating Dimtex. Let us turn off the doors. Okay. So that mas madaling, and also the roof. Okay. Okay. Para mas madali natin ma-hatch yung mga mga spaces dun sa different component ng ating floor plan. Let us create a layer for our floor plan, hatch layer for our floor plan. Let us create new layer, hatch floor plan. Okay. And let us pick orange color, orange. Okay. Then let us click this one. Then pick orange. Okay. Then close the layer properties window. Then let us set the hatch orange floor as default. Okay. Then let us put boundary for each floor. Okay. So that malilimitahan natin kung saan lang pwede mag-hatch yung gagawin natin. Okay. Let us put a boundary between the bedroom and the living room. Okay. Then a boundary again for the CR and the kitchen. Okay. Then, okay, I think that's it. Okay. Then, let us hatch a pattern. Okay, let us select net. Okay, so that it will create somewhat like tiles. Okay, net, net. Okay, let us create this one. Okay, then let us check this one. Since, okay, when I click it at the bedroom, it's the lines are too much compressed kasi masyadong maliit yung factor natin or hard scale natin. Medyo laki na natin, gawin natin 0.5. Okay. Then, click enter. Then, still too small. Let us get it a 2 factor scale. Okay. I think that's okay for a bedroom. Okay. Then, close the hatch creation. Okay. Let us create this time for CR. Okay. And look for a new pattern. Okay. You can click again the hatch pattern application, and this time let us choose another pattern for CR. Okay, this one, this net. Okay, then let us choose this one. Okay, and let us change the style because this style is too large for a CR. Let us change this to one. Then click it outside. Okay, I think that's enough representation of a tiles. Okay, then for the kitchen and bedroom, kitchen and living room, okay, let us close muna para makapili tayo ng panibagong pattern. Then, click again the hats. Then, select a new pattern. Okay, this time the parquet, wood parquet. So, parquet. Okay, then click it here. Okay, the pattern is too big. Okay, therefore, we have to scale it down, say 0.1. Then, click or pick a point out in the screen. Then, if this is still too big, you can reduce it to a smaller factor with 0.02. Then click, okay, then close. And I think this is okay for this time. Okay, you can change the color of this one. Okay, if you want a blue one, okay, then for this one, oops, mag-doble hats natin. Ando ko lang. Okay, hats muna tayo. And change the pattern. You can change the pattern to parquet. Parquet. Oops. Okay, let us change the factor to 0.02. Then enter. Okay, you can change the color. Say you need blue, then close it. Okay, then example you want to change this color. Okay, just click the hatches, then change the color, sample green. Okay, then escape. Okay, therefore, okay, let us hatches or put the hatches on the walls. Okay, therefore hatch Okay, this time let us pick a solid color. Okay, and let us choose black. Okay, then pick a point. Okay, pick this one. Okay, then this one, then this one, this one. Then escape. Okay, then you can add the balcony. Okay, let us pick a pattern for the balcony. Okay, let us choose this pattern for the balcony. Okay, let us click it here. Okay, therefore, okay, let us adjust the scale, 0.5, then enter. Okay, then let us change the color, okay, to violet. Okay, therefore, this is now our complete hatching pattern for our floor plan. After completing the hatching pattern, we can now turn on the layer we just turned off, okay, so that we can see what it looks like, the the whole drawings. Okay, let us turn on the door. Okay, let us turn on the roof, and let us turn on the dimension index. Okay. Therefore, this is our complete drawing for our floor plan with hatches and also our elevation with hatches. You can do the same for our uh, right side elevation view, for our rear elevation view, and our left side elevation view. You can hatch and apply hatch and fill so that we can complete the whole drawing. Let us now insert a template for this drawing. Okay. Therefore, to do that, let us open a new drawing. Okay. Okay. Then just click open. Okay. Then okay, drag your mouse to the layout tab. Then right click. Then click for okay, click this. Then right click. Then look for page setup manager. Okay. Then click new. Okay. You can name your setup as setup 1 or example, this is your setup. Put your name and so that you remember what types of setups na ginawa mo. Okay, then click OK. Okay. Then, okay, for paper size, since this is on portrait, okay, we can change it to unsigned, which is 11 by 50. Unsigned 11 by 8.5. Okay, so that naka-landscape. Karamihan kasi ng mga drawing natin sa AutoCAD ay naka-landscape. We are using a bond paper size. Then click OK to complete. Then close. Okay. Then before inserting the template or title block, let us click this one. Okay. Uh, bring your mouse doon sa line. Then pag na-bring nyo, click nyo, then delete. Okay. Then press sa command window, uh, type I to insert. Okay. Then enter. Then maghahanap siya ng title block na nagawa nyo na pwedeng insert. Okay. I-browse natin. Kaya sa mga exercise natin nakaraan, may mga title block tayong ginawa at yun ang gagamitin natin. Okay? Then click the title block na ginawa natin, then open. Okay? Then dapat naka-check yung insertion point at saka specify yung screen. Kasi yung ating title block na ilalagay dito ay malamang na mas malaki sa papel o mas maliit siya. Kaya sa screen na lang natin siya specify para mag-exacto siya doon. Okay? Then click OK. Okay? Ito yung title block natin. Napansin nyo, mas malaki siya sa papel. Pero it's fine kasi pwede naman siya natin i-reduce. Okay? Hanapin natin yung pinakang kanto ng papel na tatama yung ating mouse dito. Okay? Okay? Click it. Then, habang ginagalaw yung mouse, lumiliit at lumalaki yung ating title block. Okay? Nag-try na ako kanina and ang almost exact factor na pwede nyo ilagay para mag-kasya sa papel is 0.46 yung factor. Okay, type it at almost exacto siya ron sa papel na gagawin natin. Okay. Pag natapos na natin to, okay, ilagay natin yung tinatawag nating viewport. Okay. Yung viewport, dito natin nilalagay yung mga drawing na nagawa na natin. Okay. Type viewport. Viewports. Okay. Then, ang gamitin nating viewports ay yung meron 3. Okay. 3 left. Okay, dito natin ilalagay yung floor plan, dito natin ilalagay yung front view and rear view, at dito natin ilalagay yung left side and right side elevation. Kaya tatlo siya. Then, click OK. Okay. Then, magtatanong siya kung saan ilalagay dito sa title block mo yung viewport mo. Okay. Okay. Ilagay natin siya dito. Hanapin mo yung point dito. Okay. Then, ang point niya ay sa kabilang kanto. Dito. Pansin nyo, meron tayong tatlong viewport dito. Okay. Then, balik tayo sa model layout. Then, punta tayo ron sa ginawa natin kanina na floor plan na nilagyan natin ng hatches, pati na rin yung elevation. Punta tayo sa view. Then, switch window. Then, hanapin natin yung dito. Hanapin natin yung isa. Okay. Switch window. Ito yung gawa na natin. Okay. Pwede natin i-highlight lahat ito. Okay. Wait. Punta muna tayo sa home para makuha natin yung clipboard. Okay. Clipboard. Ilagay natin dito. Then, right click. Pwede mong i-copy o sa clipboard mo. Okay. May nakalagay dito paste o copy. Okay, ito. Okay. Click nyo lang yung copy. Okay. Then, punta ka uli, escape. Punta ka rin uli sa view. Then, switch window. Punta ka rito sa bagong mong gawa. Drawing 1. Okay. Then, punta tayo sa home. Doon sa clipboard. Natatakpan lang ng video pero clipboard ko. I-paste mo siya. Okay. Mapansin nyo, ito yung drawing natin. Okay, i-paste lang natin dito. Okay. Then, click. Then, zoom out, zoom in mo lang. Okay. Then, balik ka sa paper layout. Okay. Then, hanapin mo. Okay, para makita mo yung drawing natin doon, i-click muna tayo dito sa malaking square. Double click. Then, hanapin mo rito kung nasan yung drawing natin. Ito. Okay. Kung gusto mo ipakita rito ay yung floor plan lang, okay, ilayo natin to. Okay, yung 4. Para yung floor plan lang ang makita natin. Okay. Paliitin ko lang. Then pan, para mahila ko siya. Then, select ko lang to. Then move. Then, i-click ko lang siya ng konti. Para lumayo siya. Okay. Then, i-zoom ko na siya. Ipan ko siya ng konti. Kasi ang ipapakita natin dito yung floor plan. Yan. This is the floor plan. Okay. Click naman tayo dito. Okay. Hanapin natin yung ginawa natin. Yun. Makikita mo rito yun. Okay. Hanapin mo yung dalawang drawing natin. Okay. Pag nakita nyo bold yung boundary niyan, ibig sabihin itong port na to ang activated. Ito ang pwede mong galawin. Ito hindi mo magagalaw kasi hindi siya activated. Kung gusto mo i-activate ito, click lang to. Gusto to, i-click mo rito. Okay. Therefore, type P for pan. Okay, para ma-pan natin. Okay. Then, pakita natin yung dalawa. Okay. Pwede nating pagsamahin yung dalawang rear and elevation dito. Okay. Pwede nating i-move. Move. Dito sa baba. Okay. Then, pagtabihin natin ito, move dito, enter, click, press F8 para horizontal siya. Okay, katabi siya. Okay. Then, yung isa, move dito. Okay. Then, okay, enter, base point, click natin, lapit natin dito. Ay, nawala, undo lang. Okay, i-move natin, move, select natin, enter. Okay, F8. Okay, then move ito, then tabi natin dito. Okay, therefore pwede natin i-zoom na ito lang ang makikita rito. Okay, paan natin ng konti para ma-exacto natin. Okay, yan. Then ito naman sa kabila, hanapin natin yung drawing natin dito. Okay, ito naman na ipakita natin yung dalawa. Okay, i-move natin a little bit. Okay, then lagay natin sa sentro. Then move. Okay, then pan, P for pan, para ma-move natin ng maayos. Okay, then laki-lakihan natin ito. Oops. Ito naman, laki ng konti. Okay, i-move natin ng konti yung isa. Okay, para mag-sentra siya. Okay, move dito yung konti lang. F8 para then pan, okay. Therefore, this complete our drawing at pwede mo na siyang i-print. Pero bago natin siya i-print, is lagyan muna natin ng mga text kung ano yung mga nilalaman niya. Okay, so punta tayo sa layout. Then, pwede natin kopyahin na lang yung ito, copy, ito, dito. Okay. Then F8. Okay. Then, palitan natin to ng edit. Okay. Palitan natin to ng floor plan. Okay, medyo lakihan natin yung text. Okay, gawin natin 0.4. Okay, then i-bold natin. Okay. Then, i-drag natin ito para mag-single line lang siya. Okay. Move para nasa center. Okay. Then, copy natin para malagyan din natin ng text yung ibang part ng drawing natin. Okay. Let us move this one. Lagay natin dito at saka dito. And dito. At saka dito. Okay. Then edit natin. This is the front elevation. Drag lang natin to. Okay. Then center natin. Then meron tayo rito. Click this one, right click and text edit apps. Click, right click and text edit. Okay. Then highlight rear elevation. Okay. I-click ulit natin. Okay. Medyo center lang natin. Move. Okay. And meron tayo dito sa baba. Okay. Edit. Okay. This is the left side elevation. Okay. I-center lang natin siya. Then move to center ng drawing. Okay. And meron tayong right side elevation. Right click, then enter. Then click. Okay. Therefore, this complete yung drawing natin. Pag pumunta tayo sa layout space, okay, andun na siya. Meron na siya mga names doon. Okay. Therefore, ito nga yung i-pan ko lang konti. So may mas malaki. Then, i-save mo siya. As your final drawing. Okay. Example, final. Then save. Okay. Kung gusto mo makita yung print preview niya, okay, punta ka sa plotter natin. Okay. Then, ang style yung natin. Then, pwede mo siya i-flip as PDF. Then, i-open siya. Save. Okay, this is our final drawing. Medyo namali lang, i-adjust lang natin yung ating margin para mag-exact siya sa ating paper na mabili. Okay? This complete our module number 6, and our next module, doon na tayo pupunta sa ating tawag nating AutoCAD 3D basis. Okay, thank you very much for listening and see you on our next unit module. Bye-bye.